Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between economic growth and economic development. Although these two terms are closely related, they have different meanings and implications for a country's progress. Let us explore the major differences one by one. Number 1. Economic growth refers to an increase in the production of goods and services in an economy over time, whereas economic development refers to the overall improvement in the economic and social well-being of people. Number 2. Economic growth focuses mainly on increasing national income and output, whereas economic development focuses on improving the overall quality of life. Number 3. Economic growth is quantitative in nature because it deals with numerical increases, whereas economic development is both quantitative and qualitative in nature. Number 4. Economic growth is measured through indicators such as GDP and per capita income, whereas economic development is measured through HDI, literacy rate, life expectancy, and poverty levels. Number 5. Economic growth has a narrow scope and concentrates only on economic aspects, whereas economic development has a broader scope that includes social, cultural, political, and environmental aspects. Number 6. The main objective of economic growth is to increase the size of the economy, whereas the objective of economic development is to improve people's standard of living and well-being. Number 7. Economic growth is generally viewed from a short to medium-term perspective, whereas economic development is a long-term process. Number 8. Economic growth can occur without significant structural changes in the economy, whereas economic development requires structural transformation and modernization. Number 9. Economic growth may or may not reduce income inequality, whereas economic development aims to promote equitable distribution of income and opportunities. Number 10. Economic growth does not necessarily create sufficient employment opportunities, whereas economic development seeks to generate productive and sustainable employment. Number 11. Economic growth may not significantly reduce poverty, whereas economic development directly focuses on poverty reduction and social welfare. Number 12. Structural change is not essential for economic growth, whereas structural change is a fundamental requirement for economic development. Number 13. Economic growth is commonly evaluated using GDP, GNP, industrial output, and per capita income, whereas economic development is evaluated using education, health, environmental quality, and living standards. Number 14. Economic growth may not always be sustainable in the long run, whereas economic development emphasizes sustainable and inclusive progress. Number 15. An example of economic growth is an increase in a country's GDP due to higher production, whereas an example of economic development is improved education, better healthcare, reduced poverty, and enhanced living standards. To summarize, economic growth is about increasing the size of the economy, while economic development is about improving the quality of life of the people. Economic growth is important, but true national progress is achieved when growth leads to development and benefits society as a whole. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.